Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz. To my existing and to my new subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be making this lovely dashing gift bag. It's a gift slash souvenir bag, and it's like 400 pieces of it here. Guys, please watch this tutorial to the end for better understanding. So I'll be dropping a lot of tips for you to watch. Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button. Like, comment my videos. Thank you very much. I love you all and God bless you. Guys, I'll be working with brown synthetic leather. So the width is 9 while the length is 7 inches. Guys, what you just have to do is to notch from the top, just notch the middle of the both sides. This is the main body of the bag, and this is the handle, the belt of the bag, the handle, which comes in 13 inches. So I'm just going to just divide it into 3, and then I'm just going to stitch the handle to the main body. Like I said earlier, the width is 9 inches, so you're just going to divide 9 by 3. So when you divide 9 by 3, it will give you 2.3 inches. So you're just going to put it this way that I'm doing it right now, and I just create a pattern for it, so I don't stress it, doing it trying to use my tape to take the measurement over and over again. So I just make use of my pattern. Guys, I'm just going to stitch the main handle to the main bag, the boat's handle on the boat's body. Just stitch it like this, and after that then I'm just going to work on the gusset aspect. Guys, the width is 3.5 while the length is 17 inches. So I'm just going to take my scissors and cut it into 2. This is where my zip will be, and after that I'm just going to, after cutting it, I'm just going to attach my zip to it. Guys, this is the bottom aspect. The bottom aspect, the length is 17 while the width is 3 inches. So guys, this is the zip I'll be working with, and I'm just going to fold my leather just like this and just place it on top of the zip and use my flatbed machine to stitch. Now I'm done stitching. I just want to put my zip head to the zip teeth. So guys, I still have a lot to do here. Still have a lot to do on this brown aspect. I'm through with the 2 colors. I'm working on the brown color itself. So guys, still on the zip aspect, and I'm almost through, I guess so. So just make sure your leather, it's equal, and your zip is really straight. Now I'm just going to put the bottom together with the zip side and just stitch the both together. Guys, please make sure you notch the center of the bottom and the center of your zip. Like I said earlier, you need to notch the center of the body, the zip, and the bottom before stitching everything together. Guys, now I'm done stitching the gusset and everything. Now this is the time to couple everything together. So first thing first, you have to stitch the center, the both center of the body and the gusset together. Please make sure you follow the notch by stitching them together. So now I'm just going to start stitching the bottom aspect to the main body. Guys, you can stitch this bag in two different ways. You can stitch it forward before using your tipping, or you can use your tipping straight away like that by stitching it, and it will give you same result. So please guys, you have to watch this aspect, this place critically, because sometimes we all make some mistakes in this aspect. So you have to really focus your attention on this aspect, so that after making your bag, after doing everything, it's going to give you that best result. So this is the first body that I'm still stitching. After this, I'm just going to stitch the second body to the main gusset. Guys, I'm through with the first body, and now I'm just going to do the second body to my gusset. Guys, watch the way I place it on the machine and stitch. Please guys, watch it carefully and do exactly what I am doing here, and you'll get it right. So guys, this is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys learned one or two things from this video. Please guys, if you have any question, kindly drop your question under the comment section and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button, like, comment, share my videos. Thank you. I love you all and God bless you.